Welcome to video 10 on my ad and spyware protection guide. In this video, I'm going to talk about, is it legal? The most commonly asked question is whether spyware and adware is actually legal. The fact is that in most cases, the answer is no, it is not. But that does not always stop or clump. Since part of the definition of spyware and adware is that the process itself requires that the user download the program without the knowledge or consent of the user, then it is quite illegal in itself. It is a tricky law though that is very open to consideration. It is so difficult to prosecute that make and distribute spyware and adware that it is in fact something rarely done. In some cases, many of these companies operate as standard businesses. It is not a hidden trick in any way in many situations. Why is it so difficult? One of the reasons this is the case is the fact that they have to prove that you did not want to download the software in the first place. Let's say you were using shareware and the process includes spyware. Some spyware providers claim that you sign up for the spyware as part of the bundle of applications. Another consideration is just how you give your consent. Be honest, how many times have you read through those long terms and conditions agreements before purchasing or downloading some type of software? If you don't read it as their core but just click to agree and continue, guess who is legally responsible for whatever happens? To make this even worse, many of the spyware and adware companies will make these agreements excessively long and difficult to read and understand. You get frustrated and just hit the button. Of course, in most cases of spyware and adware, there's no agreement to sign anyway. The fact is that many of these are driven by downloads that you will never know the program is there. In this case, there's no contract at all and therefore nothing to hold you to them. The good news is that throughout the United States and in countries such as Australia, there is much lawmaking happening to provide some protection from spyware and adware to the public. In Iowa and Washington within the United States, there have been laws passed that offer some protection. In those laws, specific types of spyware are targeted and made to be criminalizing acts. In most cases, the target is any type of software that changes web browser settings, that disables any computer security tools, or that monitors the keystrokes you use. In most cases, the target is any type of software that changes the web browser settings, that disable any computer security tools, or that monitors the keystrokes that you use. Unfortunately, for many types of software and adware, the laws aren't in place to offer you the protection that you need, or they are so difficult to prosecute and track that there's little that you can do on that front. The only suggestion that can be made in this situation is that you as a citizen encourage your registrators to work on protecting your identity and your investments by issuing anti-spyware and adware laws. Until then, you will have to protect yourself. Big Defender Antivirus Plus 2016 is the essential antivirus against e-threats. For it builds on technology awarded Product of the Year and uses machine learning to fight off cyber threats without impacting your device performance. Exceptional in its ease of use, it automatically takes the best security decisions for you, including data protection, securing payments, and safeguarding your privacy. Below is the link that you can check out for more information.